Hi, this is Sam going with Siemens PM Software. Today I'd like to share with you the new functionality that is embedded as part of our variational sweep. In this case, we have a particular section that is going along a particular curve. What we want to do is we want to use a variational sweep. By selecting this curve, you notice that now that is fully extended into this particular design. Now it's manifested. What we want to do is have the ability to see that where do we see that the section is taking place in any place along this variational location. So we want to go ahead and activate the review sections at the path increments. Now we have the ability whether it be play it directly one time through, or we can do a loop back, or we can do back and forth. In this case, what we want to do is we want to change that increment to 1. That cannot be a 0. So we want to do a retrace and go ahead and push play. Notice that what that does is that gives us the ability to retrace or along where the section is taking place. So we see that along the way, see what is taking place along this path. Now it's coming back to the beginning. And then this gives us the capability to go back and forth, so we see what type of section that is taking place in this variational sweep command. Now once that is done, we can continue to extend that by grabbing onto that particular handle at the front end. We see a little bubble, and then we can go ahead and drag that. That will give us the ability to extend that variational sections to go more forward at the front end as well. So when that is done, we're satisfied with this particular design. Now what we want to do is we want to go in there using trim and extend capability. By using make corner option is available to us. We want to go ahead and select the particular face, and then what tool face we want to use is the other one. Now notice that go ahead create a trim for us, but in this case we really are not interested in this this particular result. We want to go ahead and reverse that. Just double click on one of the vectors, and that'll give us to the opposite end the result that we desire to see. And once we see that, now this is something that we want to go ahead and build, and we're okay with all the different sections along the way that we have analyzed and reviewed. Once we're happy with that, we can accept this particular design. So this type of capability is now available in NX 11. So that's what we'd like to share with you today. Thank you.